There's a new user menu in Paragon, and with that enhancement, some features have moved and some are more easily accessible. Let's take a closer look at what's changed. Now, when you're logged into Paragon, you'll see a user menu in the top right corner, which includes your photo. If you have not uploaded a photo or wish to update it, simply click the image and you can upload or change the photo. If you make use of Assume Identity, you'll now find that located within the user menu. All functionality of how Assume Identity works remains the same. An enhancement to Assume Identity is now it's easier to recall which account you are in. When you assume an identity, the photo in the user menu will change to the photo of the user you have assumed. The Preferences menu may be accessed from the user menu as well, and lastly, Logout is located here. Logout used to be the red button in the top right corner, and just in case you accidentally clicked it, there was a pop-up to ensure you truly want to log out. Now, since it's harder to accidentally click it, there's no longer the extra step of the pop-up. One click and you are logged out of Paragon. Thanks for watching! Be sure to visit the Nairn YouTube channel for additional tutorials and recorded webinars.